And got told to go to the bow. Come on, guys. How many people on board? 6. 6. Count your figures. How many people on board? 5. Everybody in the boat. Yes. Yeah, we're coming on board. Nobody move.